Welcome to Naukri.com. With the help of constant feedbacks from our valuable clients like you, we are happy to introduce you to a new interface of Naukri's database, which is now more user-friendly with improved navigation. This video would take you through the changes done and how the same would benefit you. Get started by going to ResTex and click on Search Resumes. Here we are in the complete new world of searching out candidates. Let us now take a look at some of the key changes before understanding them in detail. 1. It's a compact form with simple scroll as all the options are available in expand collapse mode. 2. Ease of searching and selecting in fields like location, functional area and industry, as we have introduced the option of type and select. And 3. Quick insight about candidates' work experience and stability via a single bar. So now let us explore how this new interface of ResTex would give you a seamless searching experience. Starting from keywords, we have a new feature where Naukri is saving your recently used keywords on the right hand side here. This means you can retrieve these keywords by clicking on them. Moving on to the annual salary, now you can search out candidates with salary in USD as well. Next is location. In the classic view, you have to select the desired location by manually scrolling down. For instance, searching a location like Kurnool will take a lot of your efforts in scrolling and searching. But in the new interface, all you need to do is type and select. Then the option of IMAP is available now on the right hand side, and in order to use the option of preferred location, check this and use the same. Now as you can see, the rest of the options here are in collapse mode. This would make it easy for you to expand only those options that are required. Expanding employment details, you have an option of typing and selecting in functional area and roles as well without manual scroll down. And the best part here is now there is no restriction on selecting the number of the roles. Same goes with industry option as well. Also, the notice period feature is now available underneath employment details itself. In education details, in case you're not specific for any graduation, choose this option or specify one via here. Additional details are same as in the classic view, and in display details, search featured candidates as well. Also, for your convenience, we have kept the search button and the candidates active and duration option floating on the page, which means you don't have to scroll through the entire form in order to use the same. Next, we have changed the positioning of recent searches and saved searches on the right hand side here. Recent searches would be automatically saving all your searches in the same day until midnight, that is 12 o'clock IST. Rest of the fields which we have not covered in this form are same and the functionality has not changed. Let us now click on the search button. Now here we can see the visually appealing display of information as the candidate's photograph wherever applicable is on the result page itself. Then view the title of the resume underneath the photograph. Click here to view the phone number and add up to 20 comments from this page itself without opening the CV. Next is refining your search. In the classic view, we have two filter options. One, refine search results. Second, search within results. But in the new ResTex, for the ease of your use, we have clubbed the same. Click here to expand and use them. Also, for filtering the CVs that you have already viewed, the option is now positioned on the top as hide profiles. This will help you in accessing only fresh CVs. Further, to view the detailed CV of the candidate, click on candidate's name. On the CV of the candidate, the first thing you would look for is the candidate's overall experience, and that has to be done by scrolling through the entire resume. But let me now introduce you to a new feature, which is Employment Education Bar, that will double the speed of profile evaluation and will save your man hours. Through this, you can get a quick insight about candidate stability and employment gaps on a single line. Just scroll through it and you would get to know his entire experience depicted with his designation, company name and time spent in the organization. Different shades of blue would show you the different companies he has worked in. Employment gaps would be highlighted in brown, and the colorless area with the cap symbol is for any education pursued in the same period. Next, after the evaluation, if you would like to download the profile, click on View Attached CV and download the same via here. Navigate through different sections of the profile via here itself without scrolling down. Lastly, click on Expand Details to view more information about the candidates. So by this, we have covered the new interface of Advanced Search Form. However, are you thinking, what about the other search forms like IT and Easy Search, which are available in the classic version? So Easy Search is now available at the top right corner here as a global search bar with the same functionality. And for using the IT search, go to RESTX, click on Search Settings and turn IT Skill Search on and save it. Now go back to Search Resumes and IT Skill Search would be clubbed with the Advanced Search only. Type in the skill set here, given the experience range and search it. And we are done. For comparing it with the old interface, you can click here to switch to the classic view. Lastly, we understand that it would take a few days for you to get equipped with the new interface, but we assure you that merely in few days you would start reaping the benefits out of it. So start experiencing the change yourself and explore the benefits. Thank you for watching this video. For any further assistance, feel free to call us on these helpline numbers or email us at support@naukri.com.